Langgammutiara.
Raindrops was blowing the earth, recalling the old memories that were secretly hidden. Although ups and downs come and go, your presence gave a million meanings. Reflecting alone in the corner of the night, make friends with the dark. 12 years ago, when we are together embracing nature, before separation was crushing. I don't know in which parts of the world you are now, even though thousands of miles keep the vision at a distance. Don't let our story be forgotten, because the rain doesn't stop evoking memories. Listen to the rain calling to you. Together with the melodies and the lyrics of yearning, the drops carve the past. The beats are always singing. Show the symbol that we've been united. The Rain of Missing by Miftah, Hilmy, Afifah.